Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dal Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 47, we are going to learn some more methods of the date class. In the last session, we are discussing the uh, time class, and now we are going to discuss the date and date time class in the Ruby program here. We discussed in the first session that there are three main classes: time, date, and date and time classes. So first of all, we need to require the Ruby class, and for this thing we will use date class here. And this is date.ruby was the basically in the you can say the library of the Ruby mine. And now if we are going to create a new date class, dates1 is equal to date dot new, then put dates1. Then first of all we are going to check that whether it will give us the current dated time or not. So remember that it will give us the garbage value because the dates was not initialized, because as we talked in the first session that date class is the basically creating a date.new only provide us the method for initialization, and we are not giving the construction level, so that's why the error bars arise here. So if we are giving the values, three values, for example 2018 comma 02 comma 03 for example, and try to run this program once again. Okay, where is the date time example 2 here? Run this program once again. Then you can see that this time it will be initialized with the same thing as we already told you that times dot new has the 4 feet by mm dd, and then hour, minutes, and seconds, and the time zone as we discussed in the last lectures. But remember that the date class has the only the date the features, not the date time features too. So you will be very comfortable about it. If you are giving only 2018, then what will happen, run this program, then you can see that the first values are automatically initialized to the 1 month here or day here. Okay, similarly if we want to use dates2 is equal to and don't want to use the new method, then we can use the same thing with the parts here, and then we can pass the values 2013, 5 and 4, and now I will display it with the dates2 and see whether this parsing values will help us or not. So run this program, then you can see that okay, we have some problem, no implicit conversion of integer to string, type of error with the here. So I think if we are passing the value something like this, then what will happen? Okay, now you got it, that if you are using the path, then you should assign the values with the something like this. And in the if we have dates 2 or 3, that's once again dot pass, and if you are passing the values like this one, 4 and 3, something like this, then you need to convert into the to date here, then this will be works very fine. Now run this program once again. Okay, pass cannot implicitly conversion of integer to string. Okay, we have, I think, time dot parse is here. Now run this program. Undefined parse, time dot parse. Okay, we have to check it out. Okay, I forgot this thing. We are not using time.pass, but we use with time.new method, and then run this program once again. Okay, now it's that the correct way, 2011, 4 and 6. In this way you can pass the values to the date and with these methods. There are the three methods I have mentioned it, and these are both are usable according to your need. You can add the values with the same just like date 3 is equal to addition and subtraction, you can perform just like 3. And now I will display date 3 here. I think I will add dates sign here. Now you can see that what will be the outcome if I will add 3 days here. Then you can see automatically that 3 days were added with the 6 and 9. So in this way you can add the same the kind of multiplications, sorry, the additions perform in the date here. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Today is enough for this thing. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel for further